learn how to install Google Chrome. Okay, so then when you first install your Windows, you realize that there's not much application on your desktop. So there's a default web browser on your desktop. Right now I'm using the latest Windows 10 version, the operation system. So this is my latest browser. I'll open it. So you open your latest browser, then you search Chrome download, and it pop out automatically. So you just press OK. Then you go to Google Chrome. There's a you press OK. You open the site. Click on download Chrome. You realize that it appears at the right hand corner side of the browser, but you can choose to ignore it and download it manually. So we are going to download it manually. You are going to hit on the download manually. And you realize that I've downloaded manually. You go to the right hand side corner, you see the download file here, and you are going to open in folder. There is a folder icon here. You are going to click it, and you realize that it goes straight to your download folder. So you are going to double click it to open automatically. There will be a security sign here, and you are going to click on it, the taskbar. So you are going to click on the taskbar, and it will say, do you want to allow this app to make changes? You say yes. You wait small. It's not going to take to tell you the time remaining to finish download, and it's now 2 seconds or 1 second to download, and download is complete. So then it will install by itself. After it's finished installing, then it will open automatically. You can set as default here. There will be a pop-up on the top of the browser. You can see set as default, and if you would want to set as default, you just press on the the blue button, and you go to there's a default apps that you set, and you go to web browser. You are going to click on the web browser, and you are going to change to Chrome. You go to switch anyway, so then you switch to Chrome, and Chrome is now your default browser. Thanks, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.